Hey everyone, today we're going to be talking about what to do in a tax audit. Nobody wants a tax audit, it's always a little bit disconcerting when they come around. Adam, when should you get ready for a tax audit?
Thanks, Ross. So one of the key issues with the audit is realistically you should be ready for an audit before it comes. Realistically you should not be claiming anything that you don't have receipts for. So just making sure you've got all your logbooks, motor vehicle, home office, all stored away for at least 5 years, and keep a copy of your receipts. If you don't want to keep hold of paper, a photo or a scan is perfectly fine for the ATO as well.
The other thing is if you're having a tax audit, you often get an opportunity to disclose to the ATO something that may not be correct up front. If you do a voluntary disclosure before the audit starts, there's opportunity to get a 80% reduction in the penalties that would otherwise apply if the ATO come across the mistake in advance. When you're getting the ATO notice for a tax audit, Adam, what else are you looking for?
Well, realistically, you just want to treat them with respect, get back to them within their timeframes. If the timeframes are a little bit too tight, just give them a phone call. Most of the people we've dealt with in audit, they're more than happy to give you an extra week if you're trying to find some documents. And as long as you're open in communication, generally they're going to be pretty happy with you.
Yep. The final point that I've always remembered with a tax audit is the final decision of the tax audit is not the final decision. There's always capacity to object to the ATO decision or even actually take it further to court, either at a AAT or higher. But the closing point is a tax audit. If you're prepared in advance and you approach a strategy with maybe making sure that you do voluntary disclosure for contentious positions, it doesn't have to be a very worrying or incredibly time-consuming event. It can be something that is managed. Thanks everyone. Bye.
Cheers.